turns to 4, 4 turns to 8. Sleep and get paid, rich when I wait.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And y'all already know I'm excited about this series, mastering every Forex indicator, at least mastering the ones that you need, because it's something that's just a bunch of bull crap. Ain't no way around it. Ain't no other way to say it. And it's not even worth trying to figure out and make it work. But we're going to be mastering all the ones that do matter, and whatever ones that you want to go over too. And whatever strategies that you're using, we're going to be diving in, tweaking them, making them work. Help you guys see the market a little bit better so you can start making some good choices, making some profit, following some rules. All right. Rule-based trading is where we got to get you to. Okay. So without further ado, we're going to focus on the 50 moving average strategy. All right. This is going to be a strategy that you can use. And some of y'all might be like, this is it. This is it. This is what I needed right here. So I made a 50 moving average strategy in the past. This is just, man, people have been asking me for an update on this for a minute. And this one is going to be the update to that video. And you already know, I'm going to lace you all the way up. Let's dive into the charts and let's get it. All right, guys. So as you can see on my charts, I have GBP USD up. And this is the hour chart. Okay. And over here is going to be the 15-minute chart, because I want to show you the setup from the 1 hour, and then I want to show you the entry on a 15-minute. Now, I have two extra moving averages on the 15-minute chart. You don't need them on the hour. But if you only have trading view and you only got like, you know, the one view where you got to have one screen up, that's all that you have, then that's cool. Have them all on there. But don't look at the 8 moving average and the 20 moving average on the hour chart. You only need to look at that on the entry time frame, which is the 15. All right. And I back tested this, and this thing works enough for you to make some money while you're learning the Holy Grail. All right. While you're learning what you really need to learn and master this for the rest of your life. All right. So the blue line is going to be the 8 moving average. And this is how I got it. 8 and 20. The orange line is going to be the 20, the one that's further away. The blue is the one that's closer, which is the 8. The 8 and the 20, I love that combination. That's my go-to. This indicator is free on TradingView by Stocks Inbox. Let me show you what that look like. Let's look at the hour chart. The first thing I want you to see is price breaking through the moving average, which is the 50? Is price breaking through the 50? Yes. Okay. Yes, it is. Because and so that means we're going to go on a 15-minute looking for sale opportunities. When price is above the 50 moving average, it turns green. Basically, you're going to be in a buyer's market looking for buys. When price break below it, you're going to be looking for sales. But there comes a time where that runs out and don't work anymore. I'm going to tell you firsthand. All right. So you got to be careful. This is the part where you need to be learning how to trade, so you can see this stuff. But if you're like really new, you probably going to miss it. You probably won't see it breaking down before while it's happening. You're going to see it when it's too late. So you're just going to have to work with that and just learn market structure and stuff. But like this is one right here. This probably still is a winner, but you can see it only dipped below the 50 for a quick second. And then it was off to the races to the upside. So you have to just understand that you're going to get caught sometimes. So that's why you have to use risk management. That's why you have to use the right lot size according to your account. All right. You got to have a proper stop loss. You got to have a realistic take profit. But after all of that, you have to have the right lot size according to your account. Okay, so if you don't know, the rule of thumb is for every $100 you have, take a 10-cent lot size. So you can just go up from there. All right. So let's just work our way through this. All right. Price broke through the 50. And now it's to the downside. Now we're going to switch. I'm going to put a line right there. And now we're going to switch over to the 15-minute chart. And I'm going to put the line on the same candle that broke out. All right. So this is the first candle on the 15-minute chart. So let's look at our rules. Is everything right? Price is underneath the 50 on the 15-minute. Yes. If price is not underneath the 50 moving average, then it's not ready yet. You're going to have some problems. I want you to ride the momentum. So price is not under it yet. I mean, if price is not under it yet, don't touch it. Price is under it. All right. Now you got the blue 8 simple moving average crossing below the orange one, which is the 20. So you got everything look like it's going to the downside. So as soon as you get the candle to close, but understand the 1 hour has to close first. The 1 hour you have to see a 1 hour candle close below the 50 moving average. You know what I'm saying? You have to see a candle close below the 50 moving average on the 1 hour first. Then you see that 15-minute candle close. Boom. I want you guys to enter the trade. Now you have to take all of these if you want to see it win. Now I want you to put now we're going to take a short position. So we're going to take a short position right here. Put the stop loss above the previous high, not the most extreme high, just the previous high. And then I want you to be at a 1-to-1. So I want you to pull out this tool. And when it goes 1, that means that's a 1-to-1 right there. That's a 1-to-1 right there. I don't want it to look like this. Okay, just do a 1-to-1. You have to put the stop loss where it goes. Do not try to justify making a tight stop loss. Just put the stop loss where it goes. And that's very important because you have to give this thing room to wiggle. Remember, this is for people that's struggling with perfect entries. This is for people that's still trying to learn how to really trade and be a pro trader. All right. And I want to help you through that journey. I want to help you earn some money while you're still figuring that out. So you got to put the stop loss. Man, that's a big stop loss. Well, you're going to have to lower the lot size. You cannot be a rookie trader, don't know what you're doing, and then still try to have tight stop losses. Tight stop losses for people that know what they're doing. All right. This is for you. You have to stick to the process all the way through. All right. So this stop loss is going to be 29 pips. All right. But you're going back and getting 29 pips. It's a 1-to-1. I want you to focus on where the stop loss go before the take profit. All right. So then that's it. Then you just enter the trade as soon as that 15-minute candle close. I hope that if I'm missing something, comment below. But soon as this candle closes, all right, because you're like, well, why didn't you enter on this candle? Well, that wasn't the 1 hour candle that broke through. That wasn't the 1 hour candle. That was a part of the other 1 hour candle, this green candle over here. That candle was a part of this one right here. So, you couldn't do it yet. All right, bam, right there, caught it. All right, and that's where we at in the market. So you would have got paid on that one. So now this is only for when price breaks through it. All right. So what about, let's make this clear. What about all of this stuff right here? You're going to have to learn how to trade to catch all of that. You probably do. You probably do. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. This is not for that. This is only waiting for price to break through. For price to break through. For price to break through. This is only for that situation. All right. So sometimes you're just going to have to wait for it. It is what it is. But you're going to be making some money while you're trying to master how to really do this at a bigger scale. All right. So let's do this one. Let's put a line on the chart. Let's put a line on the chart right here. This candle broke through. I want it to break through. This one is a little iffy because it did look like it broke through right here. It did look like it broke through. All right, it broke through. You can see it right there. It broke through. All right, cool. So let's go with that one. Follow the rules. Let's put up one on a 15-minute chart. Hey, I'm about to lace y'all all the way up. I know some of y'all excited about this already. This is the weekend. I'm making this video on a Friday. You got the whole weekend to back test this. All right, go crazy with this. Put some crazy amounts of hours in. So here we go. So this candle right here broke through on a 1 hour chart. Now we can go to the 15-minute chart and wait for the moving averages to cross. I showed you the sell. This is the buy. So as soon as we get a candle to close above the 50, you probably realistically, I think it's going to be entering on this one right here. So now the hard part for you guys is, where is the stop loss going to be? Where's the stop loss? I want it below the previous low. So let's check that. That might be too, I don't want you to have too big. Yeah, this is good. This is good. All right. So what's the cutoff with the pip count? I don't want you to have like 100 pip stop loss, 80 pip stop loss. It should be between 25 pips, and I want to say the max should be about 35, unless the market is volatile and the pip count go up because the market is just going crazy. But if it's normal, whatever, I want you to, it should be between 25 and 35, maybe 40 at the max. I don't know if you're going to have to do 50. All right, so we're gonna put it below the low down here. You got the low right here, and that's it. So I was supposed to rewind it for you, but you see it. All right, we got an entry right there. That's triggered because it closed now. Boom, get in. All right, sometimes it's gonna pull back on you, and sometimes it's gonna be an instant profit. All right, but this is the way this strategy is gonna look and work and feel for you. I'm so happy for you guys. All right, guys, so let's examine this one. Do you see how price is above the 50 on this 15-minute chart? Bam, right there. Price is above the 50. Do you see how the blue crossed above the orange one? And the blue crossed below the orange one earlier before it broke the 50. So that's even better. These are some things to look at. But the 8 moving average, which is the blue line, crossed above the 20, which is the orange one or the yellow one. It looked orange to me. That's how it works. I'm so happy for y'all. I'm just blessed and fortunate to just be able to just make videos like this with a mind, an understanding of trading, to be able to formulate something that will work. Some of you guys already know about this. Some of you guys questioned about this. And some of you guys completely didn't even know that you could do this. And then you got somebody that's qualified to tell you that you can do it. You can use this. You just have to use the right lot size. You just have to use the stop loss being 1-to-1, and you got to put it below the low. That's it. And you only use it when price is breaking the 50. It's powerful. It's powerful. Guys, if you finding this valuable, if you feeling this, if you love the tips to catch the pips, hey man, subscribe. All right, like this video, share this video with a couple friends, and subscribe to your boy channel. That helps me continue to help you. Hey, comment below. Let me know what you think about this. On my first video that I made about mastering all the indicators, I saw all of your comments. Keep posting comments so I can see, because as I make these videos, you're going to start having more discoveries. You're going to have more questions. So keep posting comments about this stuff, or keep posting things you want me to look at, and I'm going to do a video on all of them. So we just about to go crazy with it. You feel me? So guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.